Okay. Rip that off. Rip it off. Be nice. Okay, read it. What does it say?
Isabel, before you open this gift, you must complete this scavenger hunt. There will be clues that will lead you to a
Ultimate
gift hidden all around the house. Our clues. Ready, go. First clue. That's in your room.
No.
Yes.
No, I have something hanging off my room like that, like a bowl.
My room.
Your room. Hold on, I gotta take my shoes off.
Hopefully.
Come on. Yeah, wait for me because I want to film this. Okay, look at the first clue.
Okay.
Where is it? Where do you think it's at?
Okay, the first clue says it was by the lamp thingy. Sorry, I didn't make it.
That's okay.
I did.
Okay.
And then it
Okay,
says
hold
bed.
on.
Under bed.
No, I'm pointing at the bed. See, it says bed.
Uh-huh.
This is where the clue is gonna be at. I give you this because it's a reference point, so you know where you're at.
Oh, no. Yes. Okay. Clue 2. Scooter. Is it really? That's in the garage, right?
Yep.
Okay, come on. Oh, turn off the light.
Okay.
Put on your sandals.
Got it.
What was that? That was right. Okay. Scooter.
Mm-hmm.
And it's pointing at the seat.
Right.
Clue 3. Oh, key. Cool. Oh, wait, don't hit me. Okay. Clue 3. U.S. mailbox. Let's go mailbox!
Mailbox.
Mailbox!
Mailbox.
Excuse me. Excuse me. We're going to the mailbox! Mailbox.
Okay, hold on. You gotta take the key off. You gotta use it. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, be careful. Be careful because it is late and it is cold. Careful, baby. Nice. Yep. 11. It's alright, come on. Number 11.
Okay. Clue 3. Yes, keys. I love keys. Okay. I don't know how to take this
Wait,
out.
what does the clue say? Here, give me that one. What does the clue say?
Clue 3 for the box. Okay, Steve's
Okay,
car.
where's it pointing at? Look at the clue, baby. That's not the clue.
On top of Steve's car. And like a windshield.
That's the windshield. Where's the clue?
At Steve's car. In the behind of Steve's car.
Right. You have the key, right? You know how to unlock the door and everything?
Yeah.
With the alarm and everything.
I'm not the one.
Yeah, you know. Look on the key.
Okay, here it is.
Okay. You gotta push it twice to unlock the back.
Okay. Ew, it's spit. Careful. This is fun! I've never done this before! Oh, I opened Steve's car. A present!
Take it inside.
Okay. Oh!
Yep, you gotta put in a little bit of work.
Okay.
Remember, you gotta do all this before you open up that other present in there. Kitchen, kitchen.
Okay.
Okay,
Here's the key.
okay.
Steve's car.
Don't worry about that. Just put it right there.
Can I open it now?
Yeah, that's the ultimate game. Oh, wait. Supposed to open it from this. Sorry. It may not be the one you wanted, but this time.
I'm not tall enough.
Oh no. Oh man.
coffee stuff. I'm not Woo! Coffee stuff. Coffee stuff. Okay, wrong side. Other side. No side. Here it is.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, the tape on it.
Outside? Yeah, open the door.
I have no idea how to
Is that what you wanted? Well, thank Mom too. Okay, you still got one more to open.
Really?
Yeah, that one. The one that said that you couldn't open it until you find the ultimate gift.
Suelta el papa.
Woo! I might need these.
There's no truck, baby.
Aw, I really need diapers. Here it is. Ooh, backpack.
Come on, backpack.
First.
What do you think it's for?
Awesome.
For your laptop, Goo. To carry your laptop in.
Thank you,
You're
Dad.
welcome, baby. Give Mom a kiss too.